Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of eBay. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about eBay app, not here. You click on eBay app as you see and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.